Jubilito TV Official.
Okay, so yun. Yung sa mga kabagis, Jubilito TV Official po, no? So, maiba naman tayo ng content, no? Mga kalingap at kabagis, no? Kung naman to, sabihin na nating para naman po maiba yung panlasa ng mga viewers natin. Try lang natin, di ba? Wala naman po masama. So, reactionan lang natin to, mga kalingap at kabagis. Ito pong naging bagong Senate hearing regarding po sa flood control project. Na kung saan ay dito po ay naimbitahan ang Secretary of Justice na si Secretary Boying Rimulya, and at the same time po ay medyo nagkainitan ito pong si Senator Marcoleta at ito pong si Secretary Boying regarding po sa, alam naman po natin, no, mga kalingap, mga kabagis natin, na ito pong si Senator Marcoleta from day one, nung siya pa po ang may hawak ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee, ay gusto niya na pong ipasok, no? Gusto niya nang i-apply for Witness Protection Program ito pong mga Diskayas, no? To be specific, itong si Pacifico at saka yung kanyang may bahay na si Mrs. Diskaya. Pero with the turn of event, no, mga kalingap, mga kabagis, ay nagpalit po, no, ng liderato ng Senate President na ngayon ay si Tito Soto, at pati po ang chairmanship ng Blue Ribbon Committee ay napalitan na rin po, no? Na pinangahawakan naman ngayon ni Senator Ping Lacson. So ang tingin ko po dito ay parang nagkaroon na yata ng pag-uusap between Senator Marcoleta at Secretary Boying, pero parang ngayon ay parang in a turn of event, no? Mga kalingap, mga kabagis, ay parang talagang ayaw paboran, no? Ayaw paboran ni Secretary Boying ito pong request ni Senator Marcoleta na ipasok po, no, ang mga Diskayas sa Witness Protection Program, no? So ito, huwag na natin patagalin. Pakinggan po natin yung sabong ng dalawa between Senator Marcoleta and Secretary Boying Rimulya. So narito po yun.
Mr. Secretary, a couple of days ago, in the last hearing when you were here, we somehow settled the issue that restitution is not a requisite for an applicant to the WPP. Is that correct?
It's not in the law. But sa akin ko kasi, hindi lang po batas na nag-dictate dito. It's also what is morally right, what is expected of us. Yan po kasi, kahit hindi nilagay sa batas, mga given po yan sa ating lipunan.
What do you mean by that, Mr. Secretary?
Kasi wala nga sa batas yung ano.
Wala nga sa batas.
Yung requirements for admission to the witness protection. Ang restitution is not part of it.
Yes, it is not.
Oh, pero so, hindi ho nangangahulugan na hindi namin pwede i-layout yan depending on the case.
Mr. Secretary, I am still in the stage where a particular applicant wishes to apply under that program. And there is a process. In the process, restitution is not one of the requisites. Is that correct?
Opo, pero if it's in terms of this case being a financial crime, sir, this is a crime against the financial status of the Filipino people, of the Philippine Republic. I think that it's just right.
Mr. Secretary, are you amending the provision of the law?
No, sir. No, sir. But that is how we run the Witness Protection Program.
As a lawyer, Mr. Secretary, may I ask you, in a criminal prosecution, the civil liability is impliedly instituted. Is that correct?
Of course.
Kaya nga hindi naman nangangahulugan kung sakasakali na natapos na yung criminal prosecution, kapag ka nakita na mayroong criminal liability yung tao, because it is impliedly implied, doon lang magkakaroon ng restitution. It will come after. Paano mo sasabihin na magre-restitute ang isang tao? Meron na bang findings kung magkano i-restitute on how it can be restituted? Nag-a-apply pa lang eh. Huwag po ninyong babaguhin ang requisite ng batas, Mr. Secretary. I thought nung dumating ka dito, nagkaintindihan na tayo eh. Kaya nabablar ang proceedings natin eh. Kaya nga kinote ni, siguro, ang chairman kanina gusto kong ituloy ito. Sinabi niya, nagpa-interview siya, na goodwill and sincerity should be done para i-test. Pwede ba yung ganito?
I respect your opinion, sir. But
It
that's
is not
how,
my opinion. It is in the law, Mr. Secretary.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But I am operating.
The arbiter
Sir,
is
can I
the
speak,
law.
sir? May I speak, sir?
Yes, you
I'm
are
operating from the
Senator Marcoleta,
from the
kindly allow
vantage
the
point of the
resource
reason behind the law, sir. What is the reason behind the law? So that we can get justice, and justice can only be attained if there is restitution. So that is the principle behind all of these things that we are talking about now.
Mr. Secretary, restitution will come after. It cannot be.
Sir, it can
cannot
come before or after, sir. It can come before or
You
after.
cite the law that it come before. Wala nga po sa batas eh. Huwag
Sir,
po ninyo babaguhin ang
Sir,
batas, Mr. Secretary.
we are operating on a unique set of facts, and we are, all of these matters are being evaluated because the gravity of this financial crime cannot be underestimated, and that the more assets that we're able to preserve at the outset, the better for our country, sir.
Mr. Secretary, I'm very sorry for such a reasoning like that. Alam mo, nakikinig
I'm very
ang
sorry,
buong
sir.
bansa.
Also, sir, I'm very sorry too if you do not agree with me. But I respect your opinion, sir, and we will carry out our job as we deem fit, as we see.
Mr. Chair, I said
that the
I
country
am not
needs.
expressing an opinion here. I am articulating the provision of law. You do not change the provision of law, Mr. Secretary. You may be disbarred from doing this.
Then it's your opinion, sir. It's your option, sir.
Sinabi ko na nga hindi ko opinion dito. I am
Then it's your option, sir. It is what you wish to happen. That you may proceed
Ikaw ang
with what you
nagbibigay
wish.
ng opinion, nilalagay mo yung restitution to test the goodwill of a possible applicant. It is not in the law. Unless you are able to point out the provision of law that it come before. Hindi ganun eh. Sabi mo na nga, and we admitted, impliedly instituted ang civil liability, but this will come eventually after the court has pronounced kung magkano ibabalik niya kung meron man. Not before. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Ang gusto kasi mangyari ni Secretary Boying is yung restitution na pinag-uusapan nila regarding dito ay sabi nila bago ka maipasok sa Witness Protection Program, no, ay kailangan maibalik muna, no, yung pong perang nanakaw or sabihin na nating nakulimbat ng mga diskaya, no, sa pamahalaan o sa taong bayan bago po sila maiproseso, no, yung application sa Witness Protection Program. Pero ang paniniwala po, no, ni Senator Marcoleta sa usaping ito ay kailangan naman daw po sanang tanggapin muna yung aplikasyon. Tapos kung meron mang restitution na mangyayari sa usapin later on, ay pwede naman daw pong pag-usapan. Kaso nga lang, sarado po ang pintuan ng Department of Justice sa restitution na ito hanggat wala pong naibabalik, no, na sabi nga po nila ay nakulimbat ng mga diskayas. So ano sa tingin ninyo, mga Kalingap at Kabagis? Sino ang may punto sa dalawang ito? Comment nyo po sa ating comment section. So yun lang po ang ating reaction video for today, at sa mga hindi po nakasubscribe, subscribe nyo na po, Jubilito TV Official. Ganito na lang po. Bye-bye!